Food safety concerns have escalated nationwide with a particular focus on pesticides in local produce and restaurant hygiene. In Hyderabad, the Telangana Commissioner of Food Safety's task force has conducted rigorous inspections, surveying 83 restaurants in the past 42 days and discovering violations in 68 establishments. As of June 1st, fines will be imposed on restaurants found in violation of safety regulations. Prominent restaurants such as Rameshwaram Cafe, Shah Ghouse and Paradise Food Court have been named in the recent raids. The task force's findings included expired and unlabelled food, hygiene lapses and improper storage. Rameshwaram Cafe was cited for expired Urad Dal, Nandini Curd and milk along with improperly labelled raw rice, white Lobia and unlabelled Jaggery. Additionally, the absence of medical fitness certificates for food handlers and uncovered dustbins were noted. The cafe issued an apology emphasizing their commitment to food safety.
We are here to deliver the best product as we were promising and committing, using the best ingredients forever. Little mistakes we have done, and I sincerely apologize for it. And I would like to convey to my entire customers, we follow Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the footstep of APJ Abdul Kalam. Our vision is to play globally. We know we can't make a single mistake. I'll take it as a lesson. Same thing, to all my entire team, to correct each and every step to make sure that we can't go wrong anyway. This is how probably we learn. And again, I'm promising you, and I want to tell you very strongly, all our ingredients, raw materials are premium products. And the Urad Dal, what we use in double house is one of the premium Urad Dal it is. You can take any of your rices, the pulses, the spices. It's all premium, premium prices, and of course the premium product it is. And the vegetables what we use, it's a premium vegetables. I request any of the department, the food safety department, they can come, they can do inspection, what type of vegetables we use and everything. These are the few things they identified, which is valid, and we are here to correct ourselves.
Shah Ghouse, a renowned biryani house in Toli Chowki, faced issues with semi-cooked food in cold storage and stagnant water in the kitchen, posing a pest risk. The restaurant is addressing the water concerns and assured that their food preparation conditions are monitored. Chicha's Asli Hyderabad Khana was found with synthetic colors in their kitchen and improper storage of vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods. Immediate disposal of the synthetic colors was undertaken. Paradise Food Court had contaminated packaged water bottles which are being further tested. The restaurant reported compliance with all other regulations. Townhouse in Bhadrachalam was found with 88 liters of fungus contaminated ice cream and rotten eggs, both discarded. Other issues included staff hygiene, improper storage and synthetic colors in the kitchen. Taza all-day breakfast in Medchal had unfit vegetables and lemons which were removed and discarded food colors. Reston was using synthetic food colors and had color-coated spoiled chicken items. Other issues included unlabelled food, improper storage and missing documentation for medical fitness, pest control and water analysis. The complete list of inspected restaurants and details can be viewed on the Commissioner of Food Safety, Telangana's handle on X. This inspection drive has heightened consumer awareness and urged restaurants to adhere strictly to food safety standards.